Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, as you can see from the title, we're working with Isee here. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 9x6 M cap closure wig unit in 26 inches, and it is in the water wave texture. As you can see, this texture is absolutely gorgeous, and this wig is 100% glueless. I allowed for it to air dry instead of fully using the diffuser, so we are getting fullness, fluffiness, and I'm loving the hair quality, the texture, the shine, and the luster. And in today's video, I showed you guys how to do this quick and easy glueless install using the M cap wig unit from Isee here, and I talk so much more about it in depth in the end of the video where the review portion is, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. But as for right now, Isee here is having a sale, so don't forget to go ahead and check those links out and shop during sale season, because this is where you get a bang for your buck. All the sales are really sweet. You have some super nice deals, and you can get this wig for a fraction of the cost. So let's go ahead and jump into today's glueless tutorial.
Just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. I think that not just chemicals inside my brain. 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 I think there's a step back to realize made me wanna stay. I took a step back to realize
Alright you guys, so this gorgeous wig that I'm wearing is a water wave unit. It is in 26 inches and it is from Isee Hair. They sent me this gorgeous closure unit and I am living for the length. It is a 9x6 lace closure, so we are getting the maximum amount of ear to ear space for a closure, and we are getting a nice 6-inch deep middle part, side part, so it is super versatile if you are looking to do any type of side part action, any type of probably flip over, half up, half down. You could definitely achieve with this unit. And I love that the unit came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so this is their M-cap wear and go bye bye knots unit, and it has so many different perks to it. The air tabs is shaped like a C, so it gives you a more comfortable fit versus your average closure wig unit where, girl, you can't even shift that thing. If you shift it, you're gonna find that your ears are constantly being bothered. So they made it the best of both worlds, giving us a new cap design, and the combs in the back are removable. So you see how it has a really nice and snug fit, and it is flat in the back. That is because I have some combs hinged downwards, but if I were to move those combs up, I am able to take it off. So that is also another comfort feature. So if you are not a comb girly, you just want the band for it to be glueless, and that is your preference, then you can remove these combs. Then the knots on this gorgeous unit is super minimal and really small, and it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached like I said before, so you are giving that realistic effect when it comes onto this gorgeous wig unit. And that is what I love about the Isee M-cap wig units. And yeah, as you can see, she ate. Like, I'm living for this melt. The lace on this wig was super easy to work with, and because it came pre-plucked, it was super easy to part out minimal baby hairs, you know, just do it up, do the edges, and come out cute. So if you are a beginner and you are looking to get a wig from Isee Hair, this is definitely what I would recommend, because it literally comes to a point where you don't have to do much but to just put it on, which is always a plus. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check those links out in the description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit. And there are so many sales going on this season, so definitely don't forget to scope out them discount codes. And this wig is definitely affordable, but you can get it for a fraction of the cost purchasing in sale season. So don't forget to go ahead and check those links out like I said before. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.